This video is from my design notebook series. I have made a decision not to buy any more fabric until I have used up all that I have stored. I am sure I'm not alone, in that I often overbuy, thinking, for example, I might make a jacket to go with the skirt I'm planning, or I come across a lovely fabric and buy it without a plan for it. These days, I work out my cutting out layout beforehand and buy exactly what I need. Follow the hashtags, use what you have, and sustainable fashion. I have had this furnishing fabric for years, and I have always thought it would make a great coat or jacket. Recently, I have been drawn to the idea of using the wrong side. What beautiful colours! And this would be great over jeans. I bought this lovely sand sharkskin Italian wool suiting last year from YorkshireFabric.com, only because it was on special offer, and these colours go so well together. I was going to make a suit, but perhaps I should team these two up instead. For the coat, I'm thinking of an 18th century style man's frock coat shape. A high revere collar, a square shoulder with some padding, shaped to a narrow waist and then a full skirt to the hem. Slim sleeves and bold cuffs. Welt pockets at the low hip line. This would need to be a princess line cut. Small buttons and buttonholes all the way down the front. So what would look good underneath? I'm not sure what to do at the neck, but a tailored all-in-one culotte dress appeals to me. Cut to well below the knee, this is very on trend. I hope I have enough fabric for the coat. The fabric is 137 centimetres, that is 54 inches wide, and I have 1.8 metres. I can make the coat shorter if necessary. Next I have this wonderfully bold woven tweed. I bought it from Fabricland a few years ago, the last time this style was trending. I thought I had missed the boat. I still love it, and it's back on trend this year. I hope to make an oversized coat with a big shawl collar and a roomy drop shoulder. Cut full for pulling in with a wide belt. To wear with slacks or jeans. Roomy sleeves with bold cuffs. The coat will be big enough to accommodate a chunky polo neck sweater underneath. I may even cut this on the cross. Or maybe an unbelted version with bold buttons and oversized patch pockets. I could make this coat even longer, considering how much fabric I have. All the way down to the calf is very fashionable at the moment. At least I now have some ideas scribbled down, and hopefully I will have this pattern available on my site soon. Lastly, I bought just 1 metre of this beautiful Harris tweed last year from harristweedandknitwear.com to add to my collection of pencil skirts, but I didn't get around to making it up. I love this flecky weave. It is 150 centimetres, that is 60 inches wide, and I bought just 1 metre. Now I wish I had more, as I have decided it would be much nicer as a jacket. I believe I have enough for a short boxy jacket with 3/4 length sleeves. I will decide on the length when I cut the pattern. So this is a tailored jacket, Again, square across the shoulder with soft shoulder padding. The sleeve crown will be high to give me the square shoulder line. I can trim the cuffs with a vent and fancy buttons for extra interest. Panels will help me get the most out of the fabric. I'll probably slip in some pocket flaps into the panel seam just for show. A few nice buttons down the front. This would be great over a dress, a pencil skirt, or wear it with black jeans. Perhaps a delicate silk shirt with a neat Peter Pan collar. For a Chanel jacket look, adding braid would be a great finish. Made up in hard-wearing Harris tweed, this versatile jacket will last forever. I will be publishing these patterns for you to download. This series will continue in an effort to use up all the fabrics I have been storing for so long. I hope I have inspired you to do the same. Please subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with videos and patterns. And of course, please visit my site, angelakane.com, for the best and easiest PDF sewing patterns. Thank you for watching this tutorial.